Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a general deep cleaning. We're doing this hallway. You can see the heavy traffic area. Alright. We're doing the stairs. You can just see them, how they are, the whole way down. Okay? So stay tuned. So we did the hallway, some of the stairs. Look at that water. That thing is black as ever. Almost blends in with that piece. And we got clean water that goes in here. That's clean water in there. Dirty water comes out. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're finished with the deep cleaning. As you can see, floors turned out great as compared to what they were before. As you can see, there is still some gray. That is because, these have been down for longer than 6 months. They've never been cleaned. So we really did our thing on here, did our deep cleaning. You can see right here, that's the color it used to be. All right. And we did the thing on our stairs too. Stairs came out great. All right.